Hi there! In this video I'm going to show you how to make a slip knot. The first part of making a slip knot is laying the tail over the palm of your hand close to your fingertips, and the working yarn will be laying over the top of your hand. Then we'll pick up the working yarn and we'll wrap it around just the very end of your index finger to make an X, where the working yarn is now closer to your hand. The next thing we're going to do is hold that X with the thumb, and then at this point we can use our fingers to finish the knot, or we can use the hook. To follow along with the written pattern, I'll use the hook first. So I will hold the working yarn with my other fingers, and then I'm going to slip my hook under that loop. I'm going to pick up the working yarn and pull it through the loop, turning my hook over so the loop doesn't fall off my hook. I'm going to slide my finger out and then pull them away from each other. And now we have a knot. I can hold that knot and hold the working yarn and then slide it up to the hook. And now we're ready to crochet. So once we have that X on our finger and we're holding it, the other method is to use our fingers to finish the knot. So I'll pull that loop up loose, and then I'm going to push the working yarn through with my fingers and pick it up, and then let my fingers slide out and pull the knot tight. Then we can put the hook on the loop and then pull the knot close to the hook, and we're ready to crochet. I hope you found this helpful.